Hi, my name is Ashleigh Lee. I am the Director of Sales for the Staybridge Suites and the Expressway Suites in Grand Forks, North Dakota. My journey with NHS began in 2016. I started as the breakfast attendant at Staybridge Suites. From there, I grew in the sales role, and last year I became the Director of Sales at Staybridge Suites, and in December we gained the second property, Expressway Suites, where I'm also the Director of Sales. I would describe hospitality management as the bridge between the client and the hotel. I get to build these wonderful relationships with our clients and then provide everything that they need while meeting the goals of our hotels. NHS is different from other management companies because of the culture. They truly want to see us succeed, and it's not just about the budget, it's about the people. I've met so many wonderful mentors and friends throughout the years, and they truly are passionate about what they do, and that passion is contagious, and they really want to see you succeed. So having that support and seeing that culture on property and throughout, the entire portfolio is just, it's incredible. When we get together, everybody is just so, they support each other, and it's one of a kind. NHS provided a trip to Vegas. The actual trip to Vegas was completely paid for. It was an amazing experience. The goal to get there, it wasn't easy, but it was definitely attainable. And then we all had a really good time. I can't explain how wonderful it is to have an all-expense paid trip just to go somewhere, and that was from our sales efforts. We really did pull together, and everybody did such a really good job, but man, they did everything in their power to make sure that that experience was top-notch. They went above and beyond to provide every little detail. It was amazing. My favorite part of my career with NHS is becoming somebody I never knew I could be. If you would have asked me 10 years ago where I would be now, I would not have guessed here. Someone saw the potential in me and helped spark that fire, and then helped me not only to see the potential, but then to grow and succeed, and have been with me the entire way, just cheering me on, and that is just, it's amazing. So I am forever thankful for NHS for the opportunity. Our sales team mission is to provide everything the guest and client needs from start to finish. We want them to have the experience that they want and need and didn't know that they could have, and then come back later going, we want to work with you again because you ticked all of our boxes, you helped us get to where we wanted to be. And then also on the other end of that, we're accomplishing the hotel's goals because we are, like I said, bridging that gap between the client and the hotel. So my favorite sales initiative are the contests. We have quarterly contests, and then every quarter the sales leaders are coming up with these wonderful ideas to help motivate us, and they are so engaging and then also rewarding. I like the sales bingos that we've had before. That was really fun. And then we did a poker contest, and that led up to Vegas. It was really just a theme. They were really working that theme. I didn't know they knew that they were going to send us to Vegas, but that actually built off that. So it's been really cool to see what they come up with, and every time they launch one, it's like, oh, what are they going to come up with next? So it's really cool to see the sales initiative contest. My ultimate goal as Director of Sales is to continue to learn and grow. I eventually want to expand my portfolio and become a Regional Director of Sales.